Saturday, 13th of July 2024, the Feast of Saint Henry. Focus. Here am I, sent me. Humility is a key virtue, but it should never serve as a shield to cover fear. Consider Mother Teresa, who was brave and humble in equal measure. She once remarked, "I am a little pencil in the hand of writing God, who is sending a love letter to the world." Despite her legendary deeds of compassion and service, she did not claim greatness for herself. Saint Henry too was renowned for his spirit of humility, seeking always to give the glory to God. When we acknowledge our own smallness, we stumble upon a crucial truth. It is God who shines through us, for the servant can never be superior to the master. However, this realization should not deter us from embracing our mission. We are all called to serve, each in our own unique ways, with humility and obedience to the Lord's will. Isaiah's fervent response, "Send me," to God's call embodies the essence of discipleship, a constant readiness to heed the divine sermons. Lay missionaries inspired by this principle often give up comfort and security to serve God wholeheartedly. Their dedication mirrors Isaiah's transformative experience and is in line with Jesus' injunction to trust in God's loving care. In surrendering to God's will, we will discover purpose and fulfillment just as Isaiah did. Fruit. Can my soul radiate the love of God and my humble response to His call draw others to His redeeming love?